Guys, hope you guys are having an awesome morning. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going to do today I'm going to make some lip gloss, guys, but I wanted to show you guys my micro powder so I can make my own eyeshadows, and I can make my soap, and I can make all kind of stuff. So that's going to be another project. So this I got yesterday from Amazon, got delivered. But today we're going to make lip gloss. I just wanted to show you guys this. And this is the lip gloss base and the TKB. These is the lip gloss tubes, guys. My syringe. I also brought some lipstick tubes, but this another day. I'm not going to make lipstick today, but empty lipstick tubes. I'm not going to make that today. That's going to be another day. So this is my cosmetic grade coloring as well, like to change the lipstick and stuff. So guys, I'm going to make today some lip gloss for you guys. So let me get all of my stuff prepared. So in my lip gloss, I want to make mine a lip plumper. So I'm going to put cinnamon in this mix, guys. So let's get started. I already had my stuff sterilized, guys. So I'm going to make some lip gloss for you guys today. So if you guys want to make your own lip gloss and different stuff like that. And guys, they do have kits at Hobby Lobby, but they don't have this lip gloss base there. Well, they might. I wasn't looking for it, I'm going to be honest, so I probably didn't see it. So I'm not going to use a whole lot because it's only for me. I'm not going to make a lot. So you put the lip gloss base in here, guys. This is what keep it like that glossy, like mist with the lip gloss. So that. And I also have my wand. So in this recipe, guys, I'm going to use castor oil. And I'm going to use some cinnamon, guys. So cinnamon is a natural lip plumper. So I'm going to use some cinnamon to, when I put it on, and plump my lips up. And then I'm undecided if I want color in this lip gloss. If I want a little color. So, but let me just mix up, put my little cinnamon in there. And that is going to naturally plump my lips. So I like to have them lips like them little duck lip. So now I'm going to mix it, guys. Come on. Don't tell me my battery dead. Oh, it's too thick. The thicker it is, this thing won't turn. So, got to have it a little bit more oil. If it's thick, it's not going to turn. Forgot, a little goes a long way with this. So, I got to put more lip gloss, more castor oil in it, because see, the thicker, it's not going to turn. So, got the castor oil in there, giving it more liquid. And turn, baby. Turn. Turn. All my lip gloss is sticking to it. So let me get this mixed up, guys, and I'll come back to the next step. Okay, guys, so now that I have everything mixed up, and actually, guys, with this recipe, I wind up putting a little bit of honey in it as well. So, guys, I loaded up in a syringe, and I'm going to start filling it. It also, the kit, now these syringes I previously had here from when I used to give Gino medicine, my dog. So I bought a big bag because it was medicine he had to take. And I like to shoot it down his throat versus trying to get him a pill. So I crunch it and put it in the syringe, open their mouth. And so I had a lot of syringes. So I'm just inserting it with the syringe. And then I'm going to show you the other part that comes with the lip gloss kit. So you don't have to purchase this syringe. This was just optional that I wind up doing. And remember, this got the cinnamon in it as well. It's going to be a natural lip plumper. And I just added a little bit of honey, guys. Give it a little flavor. Not a whole lot, but just a little. Okay, so I take this with a little bit of alcohol. I hold the kit up and these little claps. Try not to squeeze it. Okay. There we go. So put the little clap on there. And I'm trying not to squeeze it to get oil. Oh! Good, I got the alcohol. Okay. But try not to squeeze it when you're putting the top on. So now that I dropped it on the floor, re-sanitize it with the alcohol. And I'm going to show you guys what your lip gloss plumper will look like. See? And it has the cinnamon and honey in there. So now, guys, this is the little thing that comes with it, okay? So the next option is you can put this on there. And then you fill it up. And it might go a little slower because it's thicker. So the syringe might be a little faster because of the honey and stuff in here. And the cinnamon is draining a little slow. But I just wanted to show you guys what comes with it. So you don't have to purchase a syringe. But I just like the syringe because I can load it up and just shoot it down in there. So guys, yes, pick up you guys a lip gloss kit. Lip gloss kit. You can make your own lip gloss at home. This would be fun for your daughters, granddaughters, you know, give them something to do positive. They want to be around the house instead of making slime. They can make a little lip gloss and sell them at school, 99 cents, $1. You know, just teach them how to be an entrepreneur already. Yes. So, guys, when I use this, of course, I got on lipstick today, so I'm not going to put it on today. I will do the review on it and let you guys see it. I might just take this lip gloss off and edit the next video and put it on and show you guys what to do. So, okay, guys, thank you. Make your own lip gloss and do the lip gloss plumper at home. Thank you guys so much. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye. Guys, I tried desperately to get the lipstick off. Unfortunately, it's a matte lipstick, so it's all off, but you know, hey, to the point that I'm hurting my lips. So I'm ready to use my DIY lip gloss. So and next time I'll do it again, guys, and show you guys without having on this other lip gloss. And instantly, with the cinnamon in there, guys, and the honey, I can feel the, look at them lips. It literally gives you that plump. You guys see that? That's awesome. So, you guys can make your own lip gloss, your DIY lip gloss, lip plumper at home. And I did get all of my supplies off of Amazon, guys. But you can go into Hobby Lobby. And Hobby Lobby do have the kits there. But I don't remember seeing the lip gloss base. So, guys, make your own lip gloss at home. Look at that. You see how my lips look fuller? That cinnamon in there. So, guys, make your own lip plumper at home. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here we go. A couple still shots of my lip gloss. And, guys, cinnamon really does plump up your lips. So, if you guys want fuller lips, add a little bit of cinnamon to your lip gloss. And you will have fuller looking lips. So, as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And you guys have an awesome Friday. Create some great projects. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.